Welcome to UAS and the early childhood and elementary school divisions, where learning is fun and exciting. We believe that relationships and exploration are the building blocks for academic success. From the very beginning, teachers are focused on supporting students to earn the U.S. diploma, the Uruguayan diploma, and the International Baccalaureate diploma. Please take a few moments and join me to experience the joy of learning in the early childhood and elementary school divisions at UAS.
Our program focuses on whole child development, student well-being, developing lifelong skills, and a joy for learning. We understand that early childhood and elementary age children learn best through exploration and hands-on activities, which allows children to explore and discover at their own pace.
Once the day begins, our classroom comes alive with energy and curiosity. We might dive into a math challenge, discuss a book that we're reading, or work together on a science project. No matter the task, I try to create a space where students feel safe to ask questions, share ideas, and take risks.
It is our role to give our students the power, the skills, the awareness, and the critical thinking that they need to make technology their ally.
Fomentamos el desarrollo de competencias de pensamiento, comunicación y relacionamiento.
At UAS, we are proud to offer a well-rounded experience where each student is encouraged to explore, grow, and thrive.
At UAS, physical education is more than activity. It's where our learners move to grow.
They learn values like teamwork, sportsmanship, and dedication while having fun and staying active.
I also love the fact that they promote or encourage kids to have a voice. I love how they actually engage with families.
Creando una red en donde las familias puedan compartir experiencias e intercambiar ideas.
We all learn about the cultures of our friends, like the foods, the languages, or the traditional things they do in the country by being in an international school like UAS.
And here at UAS, you get to meet people from different places and you get to learn a little bit about their culture.
Learning through active involvement encourages student agency, as well as supports students' social, emotional, physical, and cognitive growth, while promoting the development of self-regulation, collaboration, and creativity.
Here, in our art department, from early childhood to the IB diploma, we are globally aware, learning about the art and culture as well as artists from all over the world.
And I'm proud to say that our library plays a central role in the education of every UAS student. It helps them develop skills that extend beyond the classroom, skills for navigating a world full of information, curiosity, and constant changes.
Throughout the day, I look for opportunities to connect with my students, not just as learners, but as people.
What I love about UAS is that the teachers are very approachable, and I feel like you can talk to them without feeling nervous or scared.
Our student support team includes our elementary counselor, who works directly with children for social emotional learning.
Cuando enfocamos nuestra atención en el niño como un todo, su mente, su corazón y su bienestar, no solo lo estamos preparando para la escuela, sino que lo estamos preparando para la vida.
Los chicos se ven inmersos en propuestas en las que participan activamente de forma colaborativa, toman decisiones y aprenden sobre la cultura local, regional y global.
We teach students to navigate the digital world safely, responsibly, with a very strong emphasis on empathy.
We are emotionally intelligent, learning about ourselves and learning together as a community.
We believe that learning does not end when the school bell rings, marking the end of the school day, but that is just another transition to new, exciting learning opportunities.
I want them to know that their voices matter and that mistakes are part of learning.
As students build self-esteem through physical challenges and personal achievement.
But also to make sure that they grow as happy and healthy human beings.